Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I need to tell you something. Subscribe to my channel. जाओ करके आओ पहले, मैं रुकती हूँ. किया किया ना? देखो झूठ नहीं बोलने का, झूठ बोले कवा काटे. So after a very long time, I am shooting and sitting in front of my camera, and it feels like I'm shooting for the first time. Really, I was dealing with some issue, that's why I couldn't shoot. So I am here with a new video. Today's video is about haul, the products which I have purchased recently. So it will be a mini haul, not that itna sara products leke main bata rahi hu, my god, not like that. Only few products I want to show you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start with the haul. Before starting, I just want to tell you that the products which I am going to show you are not too expensive and not too cheap, because I didn't want to compromise on the quality. Though the products are little expensive, but they are worth every penny, because at the end we are going to apply these products on the face, so don't go for low quality one. So the first product is Nykaa Naturals Tea Tree Essential Oil. It is useful for acne and blemishes. It says that this oil has magical healing and disinfecting properties which purifies your skin and it gives you healthy and glowing complexion. You can also use this for your hair if you have dandruff. And how to use this? You have to use it with carrier oil. For the carrier oil, I have taken Johnson's baby oil. I've taken this oil because it feels very soft and I love it. So yeah, Johnson's baby oil. You have to use with carrier oil because this is a pure form of tea tree and your skin can't take it. So you have to use it with carrier oil. You can use coconut oil, any oil you have, but you have to mild down the tea tree oil. So this oil costs for rupees 350, but believe me, it's worth every penny. It has improved my skin so much. I highly recommend this if you have acne and blemishes on your skin. And for the Johnson's baby oil, it's for rupees 55. Next product is my favorite. It's Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. I had eye on this palette from so long. There was an offer going on and I got it at 50% off. Its MRP is rupees 1250 and I got it for rupees 650. I love this palette so much, and the smell of this palette, the fragrance, it has a beautiful fragrance. I'm in love with this palette. Really, I had eye on this palette from so long. I wanted this and it's so beautiful. So I'll show you swatches, okay? I'm showing the swatches of these four shades first. This one is a shimmery shade, this one is a neutral shade, this one is a peachy kind of a shade, and this one is also a neutral shade. Now I'm showing the swatches of these four shades. This one is a shimmery one, this is a yellow color, it's not that pigmented but it's okay. This is a pink color. This is a peach color. Next I'm showing you all these four shades. This is a golden kind of a shimmery shade. This is a brown color. This is a bronze shimmery shade. Yeah. This is it. Some are highly pigmented and some are not so pigmented, but I love this palette very much. I'll tell you why I love this palette. It has transition shades, it has base shades, it has brighter shades towards pink, and it has yellow shade, which is very important, and it has a light baby pink color. You get a brown color for transition, and the shimmery shades go well with Indian looks so much, and I love this palette. Next product is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It is a very good primer, though it is a bit costly, but it is worth it. It gives you a very smooth texture to work on, and it also has a lightweight and non-greasy formula. It is enriched with vitamin E, and it also blurs out the pores and small lines on your face, leaving your skin hydrated. This primer gives you a flawless base, and I highly recommend it for prepping up your skin. I got this for rupees 549, and yeah. Next product is eyelash curler. I have bought it from Flipkart for rupees 79, and it is of a very good quality. It is a golden and copperish color, and I love it. Next comes this pink lady right here. It's Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. It is a very good mascara, and it is affordable at the same time. It gives your eyelashes a thicker look, and it also gives volume to your eyes. So it's a very good mascara. It is of rupees 235. Next are these eyeshadow palettes. It is from Nika K Makeup. I have taken 2 from this range. It has 9 shades in it. This is the birthday cake one, and this is under the sea. Both have beautiful shades. It has pinks, it has reds, it has blues, greens, yellow. It has every shade. If you go to take one palette, you will get nude shades or red shades or shimmery shades, but this gives you variety of colors. The MRP of this palette is rupees 600, but I have bought it for rupees 300 from Nykaa at 50% off. The offer is still going on. You can check it out. I have given the link in the description box. Tell me in the comment section below if you want reviews to this palette. I will also show you makeup looks and give you swatches to it. Then come these brushes. It is a set of 24. These brushes are for eye makeup as well as face. For eye makeup, it has n number of brushes, but for face, I didn't like it much because for face, the brushes should be round and fluffy, but these are quite flat and I didn't like it much. As you can see, I'll show you it. As you can see, it is very flat and it won't help on face, so I won't recommend this to use it on face. But for the eye makeup, it has lots of brushes. It has variety of shapes and sizes, and for the highlighter, it has that flat brush, fan brush. I just love this brush. It helps blend the highlighter so well, and it looks so professional at the same time. So yeah, I love this one very much. I'll show you some brushes. You get thin ones, you get round, you get a spoolie for eyeshadow, for crease line, an angled brush. You get n number of brushes for eyeshadow. Some brushes are repeated but are of different size. I got these 24 brushes for just rupees 375. If you go to take one brush, it will cost you around 400 or even about 1000 rupees. So it's a steal deal, and also the quality of the brush is not that bad. It is a black color which makes it look classy, and yeah, so it's a very good deal. You can purchase it if you are a beginner. Next is this makeup fixer from Faces Canada. Its MRP is rupees 650, but I have got it in offer price for rupees, I think 487. So it was a good deal, so I thought of taking it. And it is of 100 ml. It hydrates your skin and also makes the makeup stay for longer time. So it's a very good makeup fixer. After applying this, the makeup looks natural and also it won't melt down when you sweat. Next is this micellar water from Garnier. It helps remove the makeup perfectly. In the last video, I had shown you how to remove the makeup using moisturizer and Vaseline, but only if you don't carry it. That was just a hack, but the legit thing that has to be used is this micellar water. I got this for rupees 125. I think everyone should have it because it's very useful as well as affordable. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, comment down and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel until I post a new video. Bye bye. Lot of colors. It has what's the top? Mood seems to be like ticket. So shit. Low battery. Next comes this tinkering wale bhaiya. We apply these products on our anarkali. I have given the link in the description box. I just want to tell you that the projects
ऐसा कुछ तो करना चाहिए था।
अच्छा दिख रहा है। देख गाड़ी कितना है।
लोग बहुत बात कर रहे हैं।
कुछ भी शांति। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Anybody wants Sunny? कोकिला को बोले स्टॉप ही नहीं हो रहे। क्या इतना क्या कर रहे हैं लोग? Bro, come on, stop it now. It's too much. Please. I'm waiting for it. You're asking for it. You're dying for it. Okay, so let's start. Last but least.